understanding the phrase, keeping mum. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, keeping mum, and explore its usage in everyday English. This is a fascinating phrase that can add a touch of nuance to your conversational skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, keeping mum, means to remain silent or to refrain from speaking about a particular subject. It's akin to keeping a secret or choosing not to share information. The word, mum, in this context is an Old English term that means silent or not speaking. Curious about where this phrase came from? Keeping mum originates from the Middle English word, mum, which is a representation of a muffled speaking sound. It suggests the idea of keeping one's mouth closed. This phrase has been part of the English lexicon for centuries, and it's still widely understood and used today. Now, let's put our phrase into action. You can say, she decided to keep mum about the surprise party, which means she chose not to reveal the secret of the surprise party. It's a handy phrase for situations where discretion is important. This phrase isn't just for secrets. It can also be used in situations requiring tact or when someone abstains from giving an opinion. For example, if a discussion becomes too controversial, one might choose to keep mum to avoid conflict. And there you have it. Understanding the phrase, keeping mum, can help you express the concept of silence or discretion in a uniquely English way. We hope this video has been informative and that you're now more comfortable with this phrase. Keep practicing, and don't be mum about sharing what you've learned today. See you in the next video.